Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Mac Tutorials. My name is Arnav, and in today's video we will discuss or derive an expression for work done by centrifugal pump on water. Before starting the deriving the expression, it is very important to know that how water flows in reaction turbine and centrifugal pump. We discussed about both in previous videos, but for deriving this expression I am telling you this again. So why it is essential for driving this expression of work done by centrifugal pump on water. So why it is essential to know the flow mechanism of reaction turbine, inwardly flow reaction turbine, for the driving this expression. It is essential because we have an expression for work done for inwardly flow reaction turbine. So if we know the it is if we know that how water flows in reaction turbine and how in centrifugal pump, and it is just reverse process. Water flows inwardly in reaction turbine and flows outwardly in centrifugal pump, so it is just reverse, and we have expression for work done for reaction turbine. So we can reverse that expression and easily can drive an expression for work done by centrifugal pump on water. All right, so let's see. In reaction turbine, inwardly flow reaction turbine, water enters in turbine and flow inwardly. Alright, flow inwardly. Water enters and flow inwardly towards the center of this impeller. In case of centrifugal pump, we see that the water is sucked from the sump. This is sump by suction pipe, and water enter and flows. Suppose this impeller is rotating anti-clockwise, so water will enter and will flow outward, will flow outward, and in this direction water will come out at an high head or with high velocity, and we can release this water from low head to high head. So this is the mechanism for flowing of water in inwardly flow reaction turbine and centrifugal pump. So we know the expression for the inwardly flow reaction turbine for work done. Work done expression for inwardly flow reaction turbine is 1 by G V W1 means work velocity at inlet U1 minus work velocity at inlet VW2 and tangential velocity at outlet U2, where U1 is tangential velocity at inlet. This is case of inwardly flow reaction turbine, and we know that inwardly flow reaction turbine is the reverse of centrifugal pump. So work done in case of centrifugal pump is equal to reverse of work done of inward flow reaction turbine right, inwardly flow reaction turbine. So we can write 1 by G VW1 U1 minus VW2 U2. Alright, but in case of centrifugal pump, we know that VW1 work velocity at inlet is 0, because water enters at 90 degree at the curved vanes, so there can't be any component theoretically. So VW1, which is tangential component, is 0. Alright, VW1 is 0. So expression will become like 1 by G VW2 U2, minus minus will become plus. So this is for, here 1 is representing unit weight of water. So work done by impeller on water per second. For W weight of water, we can write this as W V W2 U2 divided by Z. Alright, so this is the expression for work done this is the expression for work done of centrifugal pump on water. So this is the expression we derive for work done by impeller on water per second, where W is the weight of water, which is the formula of weight of water is rho g q. Alright, where q is the volume of water, volume of water, and we know that q is area into velocity. So area, here the area of the curved vein will be considered. So area of the curved veins like this, curved veins is like this, right? This is the curved veins. So we can write this pi d v, but at inlet, let's see, point inlet is 1 and outlet is 2. So at inlet it will be pi d1 v1 and pi d2 v2, where d1 is the diameter of the impeller at inlet, b1 is width of impeller at inlet, and d2 is diameter of impeller at outlet, and b2 is width of impeller at outlet. So this is all about the work done expression for centrifugal pump. Hope you understand this derivation, and thanks for watching, and please do subscribe my channel.